Two-Face. So guys, Two-Face just entered the House of Assembly, and he has caused commotion everywhere. Two-Face in the Edo State House of Assembly right now. Two-Face Idibia is in Edo Assembly.
This popular video of Two-Face, Baba, now the trend now so for social media. When basically they see for Edo State House of Rep.
I'm not joking, no. Go back to where you're coming from. Now studio, you say you dey go. You said studio. No. Give me love. Mr. If I give you back. Give me love. Give me make I calm down. I gotcha.
This time I get just a funny game.
We know say na just few months ago for inside January 2025. Now be say the rumor take enter social media. In fact, na him by itself come outside for social media, take right turn for your social media platform, say he dey go divorce with his wife. When we say we know they call Annie Idibia. So when we say the rumor so fair come outside, in fact most of us don't hear the story before, because during the time when we say this matter so take burst for social media, the thing go viral. People they talk about it for TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, So then when we say take come outside to take talk about the divorce, so people also not happy with him, because we know the story when we say a day between him and this Annie Idibia. We be say even before we be say even married the guests, if you don't forget children for different baby mama. In fact, when we say we see married the guests safe even after, we see here say na so baby mama see the born picking for her. In fact, make I let you make you be so watch some of the videos when we see people use take react. Then the time when we see the speculation take come outside for social media. But before we say I go let you watch the video, so it could make it be safe for those of us who may say no. During the time when we say if you come outside for social media to take talk say one divorce with this Annie Idibia, so you can see later come outside talk say the hack your account. Later you can see come outside again for social media talk say yes, say na true, say the divorce in wife, but make it basically they leave Annie Idibia alone.
Thank you, man. Nobody have my accounts. Let me talk with you one talk. Understand? I come in peace.
The same time, different pictures of the person, the video when we say he and the lady begin the event when we say they go. When we say people can they suspect us that the lady, now the person when we say they live in wife for, and they can't be say the lady now when they come do research and they can't say the lady so now one of the daughters of Esama now one big politician for Edo State, and the daughter so they for among this house of assembly so for Edo State. So there's more than likely say now because of the girlfriend, and because we say they go present himself for this house of rep. But before we say I go give you details of what we say me get to TikTok for this matter, so may I just let you know make a big so and watch some of the videos of people when we say they take come outside for social media, then to take talk what it be say when we say they get for their mind. I be say take see the matter, then I can come back and let you know what we say I get to talk.
Two Baba, your character not good. Two Baba, with your many bololo, your character no good. If other man not fit back brokers tell you, I go pack my brokers, I go tell you, because I go carry another person picking. I go put her for us 10 years later. Your character no good. You not go fit just wake up one morning, you go carry your bag, you travel go Bozo Ipo, you go write, give us say your relationship one another the battle when they get there 15 years, why you there 24 years, why you as a man 24 years old man go friend 15 years old game. Now una don batty, una don struggle, e don reach how many years, 10 years coming, you say you not do again, you come back to that relationship where you dey run for, you come back, you dey yes to. Una character not really good. Woman wey bear with you, wey dey with you, wey follow you struggle, where you born 5 children for after you not know yourself. man go pack brokos, you go dey sleep outside. When you marry woman, you go born 3 for you, you go born 2 for you, you go call the wake up one man and say, oh sister, not do again. All the endurance wey the woman don endure, all the mental color, all the mental traits wey the woman don endure behind the scene, you just wake up one man and say you not do. I no know book the flight for you, I no know be your manager, but you come back for that obodo, but they need to deport you, come back to your country. You need to come face the rock, you come back to that. All those one I just dey do, all this thing that make Lagos life the time. Una character for that Lagos, I not really gbadura, I not really like her. Una character for that Lagos, e not really.
Two-Face Idibia just took to Instagram to announce that his divorce with Annie Idibia. He even added and said they have been separated for a while now. So you can see that when she was filming Young, Famous and African, they were actually battling with marital problems. That explains why Annie Idibia was acting like that. All that abnormal mannerism that she was performing, all the twitching of her head, that explains it now. That lady was going through a lot and is still going through a lot. I can only just imagine what she's going through now, that it's all in the public. Annie, you will be fine. Marriage is not the end of the world.
When you want to marry a man, look at the name of the man before you marry the man. For example, do not marry a man called Two-Face. Do not marry a man called Diamond Platinum. Those are names that you need to run away from them when you see. Because Annie Idibia is currently in rehab after Two-Face Idibia made it public that he is going to divorce Annie Idibia, and he even eloped to the United States, leaving Annie Idibia with her children behind in Nigeria.
You see this case of Annie and Two-Face. Let me tell you one thing about Nigerians. Very soon, Nigerian women will contribute money and go and buy Annie the latest 2003 Range Rover. Very soon, Nigerian women will start addressing her as King Annie Macaulay, strongest woman I know, strong woman. They will not even call her Queen Annie. They will call her now, they will give her title King Annie. Nigerian men, it is a shameful thing for you people not to stand for your own. Very soon, Nigerian women will drag Two-Face to the point that he will start offering his comment section.
She has to make sure that she's his number one choice. That's the dynamics of her brain, right? She has to make sure she's his number one choice. But the thing that confuses me is that because you're famous, she says she's done 200 movies, she has the ability to create her own wealth, right? Outside of him. Even though Nigeria makes it very difficult. But I think if people change their mindset, look at the internet, look at the world, you can create services outside of Nigeria for the world, as she's done with Netflix. She doesn't need to look to him for money. She doesn't need to look to him for survival. So from that mindset, when she comes out of her survival mindset and she then focuses on her mental health, right? This is what I think she needs to do. I think she needs therapy, like serious therapy, to understand the issues that she's, dealing with.
This Two-Face, when we say we know so. Now the publicity, when we say Two-Face get then, now we say we take no and then. Let's assume we say, now for this year, 2025, so now we say this singer is song, when we say we take no, we say take go popular, There's one that likely say the song, won't go say. So the grace when we say Two-Face gets now because of the old grace of the music when we say well. For this Two-Face so make it not be surprised when we say time will come for future, when we say we come outside at us, make it be say we vote for round to say one enter politics. Because this way now anyway show to make money now for social media. Make we not look out for the old grace when we say get there, look out to say everything see day not that now. Right now, even me when we say even day for social media now. So now obviously me will still receive money for the social media platform. Now be say me see day for inside. So now the same thing make you not look and say because say don't forget money before. Maybe they use that kind of eye too. Sit they look and say maybe money see dating now. Forget that thing. Everybody now also, everybody they also. I know say for anything concerning this social media platform. So whether be say good publicity or bad publicity, any publicity is a publicity. And you see when we see the music said then it go popular, we know two baba, we know two baba for everywhere. Now for this age of 2025, so especially for this era of TikTok, we be saving artists self no need to go sign under record label due to the publicity of social media platforms. So the few users take go viral, we be still take know their song, they come become celebrity overnight. It make am be say all this our old tele musicians, so e no come be for them again. E come be like the money will be say e suppose make it be say brand they give them based on say they be old tele now. It can't be say brand now. The new popular people now be say come there for TikTok now. New even all these influencers them, even all these comedy kits makers them. So it can't be like now all these new people, all these small people who say not reach anything. So now they come they follow the organ of them. When we say they don't fit there for the game, come they drag business. Though thank God save the two face on our own. He use a money user take establish, but the money for me, I believe say the money not be again. So for me, I look and say in the purposely because say the money not come the day as before again. In the purposely want put head for where we be say money day, make it be say at least take the relevant. And whether we say we like it or not, you know, say somebody say this matter so take enter social media. The two face somebody say we not fair no before. Two face apart from somebody say if they give people belle before, or the saga won't be say day between him and his wife. He said 3 years ago, I believe, when we see the wife crack herself for social media, say, now so you want to go meet the girlfriend, when we say day for UK, when they call Peru, say the family members no love us, and again, when we say bon, picking for the two face, let me see the family members so respect pass in. Apart that time, when we say the matter come outside for social media, nobody know. Say two face they would exist safe. Papa will say because old people when see they would vibe to a song safe. There is one unlikely self say you know one would divorce with your wife, maybe not because waiting be say they you know maybe he just get new director or new publicist. So we see they tell and say okay, see what be say a day for you not to fake use not take trend, or you can use your marriage take trend, use new relationship take trend. And if at all say he even there for new relationship with this girl. So for me, I believe say that the girl now be say tax make it be say come outside for social media to take review, say he no want to do anything with Annie again. Say the two of them they go for divorce. So that make it not be say they can't see the two of them for public. People come begin they talk say she be woman, she be man snatcher. You know understand, make it be say the thing not come rob her for a political party in a way. So anyway, I don't want to make it be say this video so make it be say too long. Anything you say again for this matter, may leave it for the comment section below. If you never subscribe, try to do so that anytime I take an update for you, I will bring and come make you be say you see until I see you for my next video. Bye bye.